Hey guys, welcome back to Jared the Journeyman. Today I'm going to give you guys a little view of what happens behind the scenes of job sites. We've got probably some shaky video. What I'm doing is I'm driving and filming, so that's kind of what happens when you become a superintendent. You do a lot of driving. Right now I've got to go an hour north of where I'm usually from. We're out of Las Cruces, and go up to a job site. Also today I've got a crew that's headed out 4 hours from here going north, so I've got to keep up with them and keep them on the road. There's a big storm coming in. Need to make sure they have everything on their job site so they can get their job done and they can get home, because they have to be home by tomorrow night. I want them off the road and back home with their family before this winter storm hits. And here in New Mexico, we've already been getting severe weather alerts, which means we probably won't get any snow or any bad weather that everybody else is used to. Bad weather around here is probably 2 inches of snow for 24 hours, and people just don't know how to drive around here. We're not equipped with that. But anyway, so I got to get the crew home so they can be with their family. So we do a lot of road time, windshield time. We answer phones while we're on the road. We've got I'll show you here in a second. I've got my iPad set up so I can take care of paperwork and emails if need be. And then we listen to podcasts. So what podcasts do you guys listen to? I just need a new addition to my playlist. I got Joe Rogan, Sean Ryan, Andy Frisella. Those are the main ones I listen to as I cruise down the road and check stuff. Man, that sun is killing us. Hopefully you can see us. But yeah, comment down below what kind of podcasts you guys listen to throughout your day. So let me get you turned around. I'll kind of show you my cockpit and what I deal with going down the road. All right, we got you guys turned around, cruising down the road. Of course, got the cruise control set, got the radio turned off right now, but Sean Ryan was on. Then right below here we've got the iPad staged, ready to go in case there's questions about submittals, contract, have to send an email out. And then got my phone sitting right there. With the phone, we've got a hotspot set up, and then I've got a little, right down here I've got a little booster, a Wi-Fi booster, so when we get into different areas that doesn't have good internet service, as long as I get one bar, I can turn the booster on, and we've got good Wi-Fi. We can conduct business and keep going. So now we're headed, like I said, we're headed north. Still got another probably 45 minutes on the road before meet up with the crew that's up here at this booster station. This is the same booster station that I've done a few videos on, and we're getting that taken care of, getting some temporary power hooked up, getting ready to get hooked up. We got gens that we need to hook up and get tested before we kill power, so that this city will have water to their whole community. So there we go, cruising down the road. All right guys, that's all I've got for today. As always, you guys be safe out there. And again, let me know what podcasts you guys are listening to, because I'd like to add a couple more to my playlist and see what you guys are listening to. So you guys be safe out there, and we'll talk soon.